Hi guys, it's Risa. Welcome to my kitchen. Look what I have. I have my own new island table. I'm so excited because normally when I do videos, I've had to stand sideways. And I love this. So now I can stand forward and teach you, and you can see much better. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a delicious and of course guilt-free, basically sugar-free dessert snack, chocolate mint ice cream sandwiches. How does that sound? And I've already made two already. I made one with a graham cookie, or you can use a Pizelli cookie. Okay, so I bought these graham cookies at Sobeys. Depending on where you live, you can find just plain ones, or if you can find the chocolate ones, OMG, they are delicious. For a whole one, I'm just gonna show you, you break it in two gently, okay, so that you can make your sandwich, and it's 2 smart points for those of you on WW, okay? Not 2 whole cookies, that's 5 smart points, but you can make lots of sandwiches if you want, or you can use the Pizelli cookies that also come in chocolate and in all kinds of flavors. These are just lemon. So you can decide. Now you can also double, triple, quadruple this recipe, which I normally do. But today I'm just gonna show you how to make one. And I'm using 1.5 tablespoons of ultralight Cool Whip, all right, which I've already measured out, which is 0 smart points, Now, if you use 3 tablespoons and want to make it even thicker, it's 1 smart point. So the whole sandwich will be 3 or 2, depending on what you put in it. Now, the other thing I'm putting in is a 1/2 teaspoon of, this is cocoa berry cocoa powder, and you can use whatever brand that you have. Don't stress if you don't have what I have, all right? You can use whatever brand that you can find. And of course, for the mint flavor, I'm using the Clubhouse Pure Mint and Peppermint Extract. Now, my tip is put a little bit of it in the cap, just a drop, because it's very strong. You don't want too much extract. So just a tiny, tiny drop that I'm adding, all right? And that's it. And if you want to add more, you can add more. But once you put in too much, it's a disaster. Trust me, I've done that too. So it comes out too fast. So we're just gonna add our cocoa really fast and easy. That's what I like. And you can eat it as is. You can, for ice cream, obviously you wanna freeze it. If you have Cool Whip that's already in the freezer, that's great too to use. Why not? And you're just mixing it up with your little whisk. I love my little whisk. And the other thing you can add, of course, for the chocolatey chocolate chips, chocolatey chocolate mint ice cream sandwich, is some sugar-free chocolate chips. If you sprinkle in just a few, you don't have to count it. For 1 tablespoon would be quite a bit. If you're making lots, then you can spread it out to the different ones that you're making. But I'm just sprinkling in a few, and you can use the Lily's, whatever ones you like the semi-sweet, the milk chocolate, and that's it. So I'm gonna just use my graham cookie today, and I'm just gonna spread it on really fast and easy. Oh, and I wanted to actually taste it to make sure there was enough mint. Just a tiny drop, that's my suggestion, a tiny, tiny drop, because extract can be, like I said, very strong. And I love chocolate mint. And I'm just gonna take just a couple, just to get that little crunch, the little crunch of the chocolate chips, and you have a delicious sandwich. Now, if you're making them with your grandchildren, your children, you wanna add a few sprinkles, you wanna eat it open face, and freeze it like that, you can do that as well. But I love the little sandwiches. I'm gonna bring it right up so you can see that they are so cute and they are satisfying. And when you're on a health journey like I've been, you need these kind of snacks. So then it's a great alternative to other things that other people are having, right? I'm not saying deny yourself, but when you make things yourself, then you control what you put in your mouth. So I hope you love this video. Please like, comment, tell me what you think, comment below. If you change it, comment below. Share my channel with other people. I really appreciate it. And I love you guys. Don't forget my Instagram, WW Risa's Tips, and my Facebook group for more inspiration, WW Tips and Recipes by Risa. That's right. And now I'm going to do a chicken teriyaki recipe. So stay tuned for that. Bye for now. Oops. Oh, and I almost forgot. Put it in a sealed container and keep it in your freezer. All right. So enjoy it for friends, yourself, company, snack, dessert. Make lots, make a little. All right. Take care, guys. Bye for now.